Greetings, fellow vendors. Mike here with 720 Vending. Tonight, I'm going to be doing a part upgrade that is a simple, easy thing to do for anybody who wants to sell stuff at a hotel, like say cell phone chargers. Check this out. I hope you like it. Enjoy. I purchased this piece from Capital Vending. It is for K-cups, like the Keurig cups, but I'm going to have 3 amp rapid USB chargers on it. It gets them up out of the middle of the coil. And this will be a straightforward and easy install. I don't want to drop that down. I'm gonna put you up on top here, right above where I'm working. And as you see, I have 10 charging nuggets in here. Got these from Eva, from Alibaba. I'm gonna get these out of here. I noticed they had a little bit of issues trying to rotate, so I ordered the part. You can get it from Capital Vending. It's about $25 plus shipping. And it's meant for K-cups, like the Keurig cups, but it'll work for this as well. Of course, this one, the last one doesn't want to come out. So we'll go ahead and get this out. And then what I'll do is, before I pull off this adhesive, I'm going to stick it in through the coil. And it goes just like this. A couple of coils, a couple of pieces fell out, so you got to lift up the end of the coil and get it in there. And then you also got to get it over the metal stud in the back. That way it gives it something to stand on. And so now the chargers will sit perfectly right here. Where did that charger go? I'll find it. And so now they'll vend nice and neat. So all that's left to do is I'll pull it back out one more time. I'm not going to pull it out all the way. I'm going to pull it out just enough, and I'm actually going to remove the product pusher. I'll just throw it on a chip coil. Won't hurt it. And what you do is you pull off the adhesive backing. I'm going to pull this out here again. Get my finger back here to hold this up. I'm going to get it back into place. God dang it. Get it back up there on top of the coil. Then we're going to set it just like this. Make sure you get it centered That way everything is nice and neat. Yep. And now, when I go back to placing these back in here, they will sit nice, neat, clean. And they will vend without issue. And what I'll do is I will, do I have any cash in here? I just collected from this yesterday, so there's no cash in there. So I got $5 on the machine. We're going to go ahead and test that. That one's number D10. Yeah, so I'll put the product pusher back on it, and then we'll be all good to go. For more vending related content, like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed. Smash that like button. Have a great day.